Did your KLM flight get delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? No need to worry. You might be eligible for compensation. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to claim compensation using Compensair, a service trusted by thousands of travelers to manage the entire process. Let's get started. First, visit Compensair. Although you can search for it online, it's safest to use the secure link in the video description to avoid phishing sites. Once you're on the site, enter your KLM flight details, including the departure and arrival cities, flight number, and the date of your trip. This information can be found on your booking confirmation or boarding pass. Next, provide your personal information such as your full name and email address. Compensair ensures that all your data is securely handled throughout the entire process. After entering everything, review the details for accuracy and click Submit to process your claim. From here, Compensair will take over, handling all communication with KLM and working to secure your compensation. All you need to do is wait for updates. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive an email notification, and your compensation will be sent directly to your preferred payment method. That's all it takes. With Compensair, claiming compensation for delayed, cancelled, or missed KLM flights is simple and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below